watchers. It is, I believe it's Wednesday, June 4th, 2014. Work progress on the bridge. I have no idea what those orange platforms are, but anyway, a big pile of rock and dirt is been moved around a little bit, and over there they are building the support walls for the, I think, where the bridge begins, where it goes over Highway 95. As you can see, there are the several of the piers visible, and lots of cranes all over the place. But it's nice progress. Nice, beautiful day. Check my other videos. I'm going to take 2 or 3 more from today. Thanks. Bye.